still echoes with passion among trucking enthusiasts who often blend myth and reality when talking about classic rigs. In truth, the Peterbilt 379 was introduced much later, in 1987, yet the spirit of 1950s American trucking lives on through Peterbilt's enduring reputation for durability and bold design. If we imagine what a 1955 precursor to the iconic 379 might have looked like, it would reflect the rugged functionality of the era. Infused with the design language that later made the 379 a legend, the actual 370 became the backbone of long-haul trucking in North America. Renowned for its long nose, unmistakable chrome grille, and old-school charisma, it typically came equipped with powerful diesel engines such as the Caterpillar 3406 or the Cummins N14, pushing horsepower figures from 400 to over 600, depending on the configuration. These trucks were beasts on the road, offering torque numbers north of 1,650 pounds-ft, then enough for the heaviest hauls. Compared to modern aerodynamic trucks like the Freightliner Cascadia or Volvo V, the 379 was less fuel, but far superior in customization and repair. Drivers loved it not just for its brute strength, but for how easy it was to maintain, modify, and personalize. The 379 was a symbol of pride and ownership, in a way that most modern fleet trucks rarely are. In terms of transmission, many models were paired with Eaton Fuller 1.3 or 18-speed manual gearboxes, which gave seasoned drivers full control over their rig's performance, especially when climbing grades or hauling massive payloads. Historically, Peterbilt trucks from the mid-20th century helped define the American trucking identity. During a time when the interstate highway system was rapidly expanding, trucks like these became the lifeblood of commerce. The classic long hood design of the 379 also made it a cultural icon, appearing in films, music videos, and even collector circles decades after production ended in 2007. Today, restored models fetch high prices and continue to command attention at truck shows across the country. Looking into the future, while the industry shifts toward electric and autonomous vehicles, the legacy of the 379 isn't fading. Instead, it stands as a reminder of what made trucking a proud profession: mechanical prowess and sheer American grit. Classic rigs like the Peterbilt 379 may never run on batteries or software alone, but their design and spirit will continue to inspire the trucks of tomorrow and the drivers who refuse to let legends die.